It's 5 a.m. Thursday, and in San Francisco, it's 2 p.m. Wednesday. We call that Ring Central time. Time for teams, customers, and partners to connect online for a real-time work session. Ring Central is the leading cloud solution for today's distributed workforce, integrating voice, video, online meetings, and team messaging into one experience. It's time to work the way you want. It's Ring Central time. For a free trial, visit ringcentral.com. Ring Central. Communicate, collaborate, connect.
It's the cruise of a lifetime. Hi, it's Kim Wonderly, inviting you to join me and my husband, Kevin the Brat, for a luxury cruise to Alaska's Inside Passage on the exclusive Regent Seven Seas Mariner. We'll sail August 14th through the 21st. The Regent has long been heralded as your best value in luxury cruising because it's all-inclusive. You pay one price. That includes your round-trip air, food, drinks, gratuities, and your choice of a wide array of shore excursions. I can't wait to take advantage of these. Kayaking, a rainforest hike, glacier tours, bike adventures, even zip lining and rock climbing. All included. The hard part's going to be choosing. Plus, if you book by March 1st, you'll get an $1,100 shipboard credit and a free glacier flight. That's a $740 value. The Regent Seven Seas Mariner is a gorgeous, all-suite ship, and every suite has a balcony. Kevin and I can't wait to meet you aboard. Call Eleanor World Travel at 800-848-8747. That's 800-848-8747.
Are you a property manager looking to improve the look of your property? If so, you need to call MB Jesse right now. Hi, this is Matt Jesse from MB Jesse Painting. At MB Jesse, we are your go-to when it comes to painting or repainting your commercial property. Hotel or retirement center? Definitely. Interior office facility? 100%.